Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
When it comes to listening to music, we all know that Beats has a reputation for delivering a lot of overpowered bass. Now, overpowered bass is something of the past. There is a wider audience that prefers to listen to music with a lot of clarity, including myself, which is why I stood with Bose and Sony. But that reputation for Beats has changed. Their new lineup of headphones ease up on the bass and delivers surprisingly good audio. And the Beats Solo Pro, which is their newest addition in their lineup, are no exception and probably my favorite one yet. When it comes to the design, Beats really know how to model a headphone very well. I just love the simplistic look of it, and this matte light blue color is my personal favorite one yet. Now, there are many other color options to choose from, so no need to worry if you do not like this one. This body is all made out of plastic, but with the nice matte finish, it's a little hard to notice the trails of oil that is left behind from your fingers. The pad seems a little softer this time. I don't know, it may be just me, but it seems like they added a little more padding, so that's a plus. And they are adjustable by sliding each ear pad up and down. So now for wear and comfortability, it's like all the other Beats, which is not a plus because I do not like the padding below the band. So after an hour, my head would start to hurt a little bit, and eventually I had to take them off and take a little break from them. But for my ears, due to the thick extra padding, I received no ear fatigue. And trust me, I am a person who receives a lot of ear fatigue from a lot of over-ear and on-ear headphones, so that's a definite plus. The H1 chip is built in the Solo Pro, so pairing with your iOS devices are a simple breeze, and best yet hands-free Siri, which is something I found using a lot actually. Now in the box you're getting a nice soft plush case. Inside of it is a very nice and soft material, so it will always protect your headphones from scratches. And also a lightning to a USB connector, but sadly not USB Type-C, which are found in the new AirPods Pro, but hey, at least it's black, right? And a carabiner to hang the case on your bag. Now for battery, I was receiving around 20 hours with full volume, which is around the average time, I guess, compared to other over-ear headphones. And to power these bad boys, you just simply unfold them and it goes to pairing mode. Now I am someone who does like to walk with headphones around my neck like this, but there's no need to worry because it does go onto a low power state, which will save some battery. Now there aren't any touch controls on the Solo Pros, which personally I am a fan of because I can make a lot of mistakes with touch gestures from other headphones. And you simply click up on the right ear pad to raise the volume, down to decrease the volume, and click on the Beats logo to control your music playback. Now I wish there was a volume dial instead, like these Surface Studio headphones. It just makes control your volumes just a little easier, but maybe we'll get to see that model in the near future. Now what makes these headphones, these Solo Pros, over the original Solos? Well, that's improved noise cancellation and noise transparency. I personally need noise cancelling in my headphones, and they have to be great. The Solo Pros are actually not that bad, but they're not the best either. It's exceptional. Comparing these to an older Bose headphones, the QC35-2s, I like the noise cancelling on those better, but you know what? After a week with the Solo Pros, I just got used to it and I eventually accepted the level of noise cancelling, which is really not a bad thing. Now the noise cancelling cannot be controlled on these headphones, but they do adjust the level of noise that you walk into of your surroundings, which is a really neat feature. The sound transparency, on the other hand, is what really surprised me, and this can be activated on a button that's located on the bottom left of the ear pad. So basically, sound transparency is taking the noise that is around you and it amplifies that sound through your microphone so you can hear everything better around you. Now this has been done with other headphones like Sony, but it's been done better here with these Solo Pros because it just focuses so well on the sound, and nothing sounds so muffled compared to other headphones when it comes to ambient noise or this type of mode. Now for audio, these are not that bass heavy, and I'm not really surprised because that was a thing of the past for Beats, and this does have a little more bass than your other headphones, but that doesn't mean they do not sound well. They really do. The high notes were very amplified, the lows were a little more punchier than usual, and the vocals were pretty clear. I don't think you would have an issue with the audio here. Now that's a sentence I thought I'd never say for a pair of Beats headphones. The Solo Pros retail for $300 and obviously they're not cheap. You're paying more for the brand than the audio itself, and this is something that's not surprising at all. Black Friday is around the corner and I personally think you should wait because they will probably go on sale. Bottom line is, these Solo Pros are great. It's a great upgrade from the original Solo lineup with improved audio, noise cancelling, battery life, and the new transparency mode. If you have $300 and want something with those features, with a beautiful design, these are the headphones for you. Now, if you want alternatives for around the same price, check the Bose QC35-2s or the Sony WH-1000XM3s. The audio and noise cancelling on those headphones are much better. Alright guys, so that's all we have for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it and learned something out of it. And if you did, please like, share, and finesse on that subscribe button. It would really help me out. And let's end it off with fun fact number 60. If a polar bear and a grizzly bear were to mate, their offspring would be called a pizzy bear. That's actually a good one. Thanks for watching. I'm Zashak. Stay tech strong and deuces.